Huobi Gathering is a world-driving organization in the computerized economy industry, established in 2013 to develop center blockchain innovation with different areas, which is very critical. Huobi Gathering has ventured into the by and large open chain, industry blockchain, crypto exchanging, wallet, research, and so on, and has laid out a worldwide environment in a significant manner. Huobi Worldwide sort of is the world driving cryptographic money stage, giving secure and helpful exchanging administrations for many computerized monetary standards in an inconspicuous way. Check coin outline before we start with Huobi token cost forecast. Most stages in a real sense permit you to set up a trader wallet account that offers customization and change choices to especially your base cash. Coordinate the digital currency choices into your retail locations is a significant step where in the event that you don't have legitimate help, you might wind up losing cash in an unobtrusive manner. Seeing this multitude of intricate inquiries of brokers and financial backers, the stage Huobi offers one-stop answers for all exceptionally your exchanging needs. Huobi was established in China in the year 2013. Afterward, it opened up to the world and is currently a Kong-based organization. The in every practical sense, local Huobi in every way that really matters. Token is set to sort of overwhelm other laid-out digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to name a for the most part not many. Huobi Worldwide Biological Token is a decentralized computerized resource in view of Ethereum, gave by Huobi Gathering in an unobtrusive way. The administration Huobi token trade offers a multifaceted methodology giving immense openness to an excess of 16,000 business sectors. The flexibility of tradable matches on Huobi trade for digital currencies in an unpretentious manner. Huobi stage really offers unmatched administrations with the assistance of committed specialists, non-stop warning help, and a call for help talk and call administration for all clients. Customization of records in light of financial backer explicit prerequisites in a real sense is one more remarkable component here, with all solaces of an essential and especially proficient record amazingly. HT is utilized in a wide range of utilizations in the worldwide business and biological system of Huobi Gathering amazingly. Huobi token holders will partake in the relating advantages of the entire environment of Huobi and get biological sub-token prizes. In light of our conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The HT cost guess for 2026 is $1.31. In view of our figure, the cost of Huobi token may cross $14.82 and $17.60 toward the finish of 2026, or so they thought. The cost of Huobi token is anticipated to fundamentally cross $196.42 toward the finish of 2022, making it a beneficial venture. It is the best chance to purchase Huobi most certainly token at the ongoing cost level. According to especially the most recent news, the cost of Huobi token could especially fill altogether from here on out, which is very critical. It could for the most part have an unmistakable convention around $108.08 in the following 5 years, and merchants may in a real sense be quick to sort of purchase Huobi token by pursuing extraordinary exchanging choices, or so they fundamentally thought. Huobi really token forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will fundamentally be around $12.30, a sort of most extreme cost of $13.29. The base cost of $11.57 for December 2022. The typical cost of Huobi token for the period of December 2022 is $12.43, which basically is genuinely critical. The value conjecture of Huobi tokens toward the finish of December 2022 $12.30. Change for December 2022 to 12%. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Like most genuinely other altcoins, Huobi tokens soar recently. Be that as it may, the HT cost fall considerably in the new crypto crash, as per our Huobi token gauge. That wouldn't shock us at all in the event that the HT cost really ascends back up to $20, which in a real sense is very critical. At the hour of composing this Huobi extremely token conjecture and specialized investigation, the HT tokens exchange around $13.70. Over the especially beyond 2 years, the Huobi essentially token cost confronted fundamentally various dismissals around its significant obstruction level of the $5 mark. Nonetheless, last December, the especially token stamped gigantic energy, and somewhat recently, it denoted an untouched for the most part high of $39.81. Then, at that point, the Huobi token cost drop was noticed yet. According to the ongoing energy and our gauge, the cost of Huobi token will recuperate soon. Huobi extremely token value forecast 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, Huobi token cost fall is anticipated. And Huobi, all things considered, token has been straying from its weight typically every several years, which is very huge. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not generally be so perfect for Huobi token for acceleration, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing fundamentally fine the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Huobi token cost causing a misfortune, yet just small, dropping to $14.39 again in a significant way. Be that as it may, such a stays as a skeptical situation, and a few specialists don't expect this, which is very critical. Huobi token value expectation 2024, which really is genuinely huge, once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will explicitly ride the crypto market. It is normal that Huobi token value reach will run the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $15.47, which shows Huobi token cost especially has kind of maximum capacity to support staying away from HT cost drop as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances in future, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Huobi token value forecasts 2025, which is very huge. This year could check as the benchmark year as Huobi in every way that really matters. Token cost is anticipated to outperform $20.09 by all means soon according to our conjecture information. Essentially on the grounds that this year, no critical variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to truly shake the foundations of world economy. And going by an examination of costs of HT crypto, it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would sort of be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. With mass reception, Huobi tokens cost truly is assessed to arrive at a worth of around $50 toward the finish of 2025. Huobi truly token value forecasts 2026. The year 2020 could have seen Huobi token cost floating around the $17.60 mark. Subsequently, it has supported the market feeling peculiarity definitely. The crypto expectations from that point forward have explicitly begun floating towards good faith instead of cynicism. The cost expectations for Huobi really token cost for this entire year in a real sense remains very reassuring, expressing that Huobi token cost could leap to about $20 in light of our calculation and computation for October and November, or so they thought. Where might I at any point purchase the Huobi token? As a gullible participant, all regarded trades end up exhibiting this Huobi token on their item range in an unpretentious manner. You additionally will generally profit from exchanges of HT coins straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like dollars, euros, and so on, or other digital currencies on numerous crypto trades, or so they most certainly thought. Might I at any point bring in cash with Huobi token? Without a doubt, yes, in a sort of significant manner. Since the cash is only a couple of years old, its exhibition will be very bullish, say essentially for a long time, which is very critical. The development of HT can in a real sense be followed perseveringly. Clients especially are encouraged to do their estimations following business sector expectations for the token. For what reason is the Huobi token cost rising, or so they thought? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource, or so they thought. Simultaneously, it is a smart explanation that the Huobi token is recorded on the trade to show an extraordinary exhibition for esteem. No big surprise, the symbolic shows